This is the blue and gold macaw at Egyptian Parrot Pet Shop. I think I finally see that bird because this place had the scarlet macaws, and now this has a blue and gold macaw. The macaw has been the parrot that has been making lots of squawks and can repeat words, what someone can say, hello and pretty bird. This is the green wing macaw. This macaw have been biting when I get too close to its beak, but I think lots of them can say hello and pretty bird. Plus that talking cockatoo. That's a shaking macaw. It's the cockatoo that's screaming or squawking. And by the lamp, there was a macaw that was preening. That green wing macaw is preening with its beak. And I think they learned to say pretty bird or hello.